Cryptocom DeFi Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Cryptocom DeFi Wallet app brings decentralized finance to your fingertips, allowing users to store, stake, and swap cryptocurrencies while maintaining full control of private keys. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's just another crypto wallet, but the surprising truth is that it combines DeFi access with mobile convenience and strong security features. On the pros side, the app supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies and DeFi protocols, allowing users to stake coins, earn rewards, and participate in liquidity pools. Users maintain full custody of their funds, and the app supports hardware wallet integration for enhanced security. Swaps between tokens are fast and cost-effective, with intuitive charts and portfolio tracking to monitor performance. On the cons side, beginners may feel overwhelmed by DeFi jargon and the variety of options available. Security is only as strong as a device and the user's habits, so losing private keys or falling for phishing attacks could result in permanent loss. Network fees on certain chains may be higher than expected, especially during peak usage. In conclusion, the Cryptocom DeFi Wallet app is ideal for crypto enthusiasts who want full control of their assets while accessing DeFi services. While it requires careful management and some knowledge of decentralized finance, it offers a flexible, secure, and rewarding platform to grow and manage digital assets effectively.